Good morning, everyone. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna turn this cleaning video into a vlog style just because this room is a bit overwhelming. There's a lot to go through and it's just, I really gotta get it done. So if you guys have seen my video for Wednesday, you guys know how my room looks already. I don't know how it got this way. Well, I do. I have a shopping problem. And for some reason, everything that is in the house that I end up packing up, and it is for donations or just getting rid of, ends up in here because no one ever brings it. So it's just always on me. But anyway, let me give you another look of this room. That was my reminders because it is currently 10 o'clock, which means I need to take my meds. But right now, I made myself a nice iced coffee to kind of get myself motivated to clean this room. It's one big mess, so let me show you. This is currently the state of my office. As you can see, it is a complete disaster. I have not tried to clean it in a few weeks and things just kind of get piled up in here. Half the stuff is not mine. And that's cat food. And the drawer is open. I don't know what that box is. That was all stuff in the bathroom. I haven't even gone through it. There's even bubbles behind my door. Oh, and there's bubbles right there. This bag was for donation. Obviously I didn't make it. And then I bought this little thing at Five Below trying to kind of get some kind of storage organization going on in here, and clearly it just got crowded with stuff. So yeah, that is currently the state of my office. I'm going to attempt to tackle it and just organize this whole complete disaster. There are shelves I want to hang up. I don't know if I'm going to do that today, but if I do, obviously I will record it for you guys. But anyway, let's get started in this room because I need this space cleared because I am a firm believer of a messy house, a messy mind, and this room just gives me such bad anxiety.
How I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, ooh, 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 and all the things that you do, ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside, doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, ooh, 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 and all the things that you do, ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you, ooh, ooh. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do
me tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody.
So I decided to put my hair up. The room is coming along really good so far. There are a couple things that I still need to do, but I want to show you guys this really cool outlet that I got. Got it on Amazon. Obviously, you plug it in, but it has 4 little pluggy in spots, and this is super helpful, especially when you are like specifically working with electronics, because I can plug my computer in and my camera and whatever else I want. Sorry about that. But anyway, I was sweating, so I put my hair up. My vanity is all nice and clean. This whole thing is clean. I got all of my camera equipment down here. I still need to clean this area a little bit. I'm not quite sure what to do with that. I have the printer there. I have a few boxes of medical supplies that I'm not sure what to do with, so I might leave those on the floor and ask my nurse next time she comes, because there's a sharp container, so IV drip things. But I do need to clean my desk still, and yeah, that's about it. Vacuum, obviously, I need to wash the floors. This room really is a disaster. I really have been neglecting it. I don't know why, since this is my office and this is where I do everything. I think this would be the room that I clean the most. I'm so ashamed of myself, guys.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I
So the room looks definitely a lot better. There is still a little bit of clutter, like over here where my camera equipment is. Just because there's so much of it, there is studio lights, camera equipment, there are tripods, a ring light, and also over here there is some stuff for donations, medical supplies, and just my garden box right here. But I wasn't really sure what to do with it, sorry. I only have like this window light, so that is where it is coming in from. Maybe I could turn the light on over here. Let's see if that helps. It's a very yellow light. I want to change these out for like a white light, but with the light switch that we have in the house, These ones are not compatible with LED lights, so I'd have to switch out the light switch. Let's see if I can find a good lighting to talk to you guys. There we go. But anyway, it definitely looks a lot better. I'm gonna show you guys the end results and just tidy up a little bit off camera and eat lunch. So I'll see you guys in a little while. So this is the finished room. It's definitely looking a lot better. And this is all my camera equipment over here, like I mentioned. I have this really cute like octopus leg tripod type thing. I got my studio lights. This is just my junk corner. I got everything organized on the shelf. And then over here is my vanity, which I cleaned off and organized. There was a lot of hairspray sprayed on it, which kind of made it look really gross. So I got that all cleaned off. And then here's my tree. I love this tree. I don't actually know what this is. This was originally a branch that I shoved in a pot and it just kind of grew. It grew really well. That plant is a purple heart. That's fake, that's fake. And then over here is my spider plant. This is my baby. This is about 6 years old. He gives me lots of babies and then I prune him and replant them. Sometimes I put them back in here with him, but most of the times I repot them and just kind of give them away. And then up here, I have this beautiful vine plant. He's held up with command strips, otherwise he would adhere to the wall. But he is so long now. I've had him for about a year. This is what I give my plants to help them stay healthy. I am currently testing it on a few other plants as well because this is for a variety of plants and it takes about 6 months to show results. So if you guys are wondering what I use for my plants to grow them very healthy, I do use this for indoor plants only, but they're super cool and convenient and you get so many inside them. Also, this is my brand new cushion. It is a cherry blossom cushion. I thought it'd be perfect for spring. And a couple weeks ago I got this girl. She has a little bow on top with pom-poms and a purple lollipop. A long time ago it was from It's Sugar. It looked just like this, but it had a pink lollipop and it didn't have a bow, but I sold it on thinking that I wouldn't miss it, but I really miss it. And on my shelves I have more cushions. I got this mess up here, but also cushions. But overall, my office looks much better. I know there's cardboard there. Those have like codes on it for Shiloh. That was a card I got for Valentine's Day. But yeah, I love this rug. I think it goes really well in here. And then over here is nice and cleaned up. This is where I keep my mail and important papers. That's a broken laptop on top of a book. Once again, a plant. That stuff, that I'm keeping. I just have baby plants in there that I need to plant. That printer needs to be disposed of. Medical box, I just bought that. Also, my cat sleeps under there. Cat supplies there. But yeah, what's up? Overall, that is my office tour. That is also my office clean with me. I told you guys I would release this video on Sunday, and it is now Sunday. Well, it's Saturday, but you guys are seeing this on Sunday. I'm not sure what I'm gonna clean next, so let me know down in the comments below what kind of clean with me video you guys want to see next time. If it's a whole house video, if you want me to do another vlog, I can cook and clean with you guys. Can't talk. But anyways, I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. Bye!